Hey guys, what's up? This is Regular Town, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Yay! What am I unboxing? New shoes. Alright, let's check it out. Right, it says Tiempo Natural IVIC. Tiempo. Awesome. There's the camera over here. Right. Yep. My mom wouldn't let me get Mercurials, so I got Tiempos. Yeah, they're actually really nice, and I didn't try kicking with them yet, and I'm gonna try them tomorrow with Spec Neck 31 because we're starting school tomorrow, so pretty awesome. First Nike soccer shoe I've ever had in my life. Yep. Yeah, awesome, eh? And tomorrow I might be posting a video of me shooting with these new shoes. It's really awesome. I don't know how to put shoes there, so yeah. So see you guys tomorrow. Whoa. Tiempo's for the wind.